Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Bryan here. I got my Cobra Swept Exhaust about 10 months ago, and I took out the baffles before I ever even installed it. And this weekend I went ahead and stuck them back in. Let's see how that went. Now if you're like me, you like your exhaust loud. So like I said, when I got the exhaust system, I went ahead and just took the baffles out before ever even installing it and just never messed with it. Now this weekend when I did my belt adjustment video, I had to take the back part of that exhaust off, so I thought I'd go ahead and stick those baffles back in just to kind of see how they sounded and kind of how the performance was with them. First part, I wanted to kind of get the startup and a few revs, so I set the camera up behind the bike. Now you can kind of hear on the second part of the video with the baffles in that when I hit that first throttle, it kind of has a slight hesitation. I don't know, I haven't gotten into my tuner yet, so maybe I just need to adjust my tune a little bit. Now this part I used the same exact videos, but I wanted to kind of stick them back to back so that you could really hear the difference in the exhaust tones between the two. Now from there, I went ahead and moved the camera right up next to the exhaust, and I hope that would kind of give us the best sound out of it. Once again, in this part, I used the same exact two videos, I just cut them and placed them back to back so that you didn't have that break in between to forget what one sounded like, and you could really hear the difference in the two tones with them back to back like this. From there I want to jump on the bike and kind of get just a little ride in and let you see the difference between the two on that. Now this first video is without the baffles. Now this next video is with the baffles in, and the video may not show it, but it is just a little bit quieter, but the exhaust tone is actually a little more rich and a little fuller. this next part, same exact thing, same two videos, just place them back to back so that you can really see the difference in the acceleration. On the first one without the baffles, and the second one with the baffles. Now on the second one, you can definitely see that the acceleration is just a little bit better, seems like there's less engine braking, and it actually seems like it has less popping on deceleration. Now guys, like I said, I love my bike lap, but the difference from the performance that I gained from actually putting the baffles back in is enough to keep them in for now. Like I said, I've gained quite a bit through my low, my mid, and even my higher range RPMs that I didn't realize I was missing because I never had the baffles in. So I will be keeping them in for now, but in the future I will be looking into some Big City Thunder baffles. So if you guys have any experience with those, go ahead and leave a comment down below and kind of let me know about that. Guys, hope this helps you out in kind of making, any decisions on whether you want to buy a Cobra Swept Exhaust or, whether you decide to take the baffles out or leave them in. And if it did, be sure to like and share it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you get notified whenever new videos come out. Other than that, guys, we'll see you next time.